This is a D-Link USB Type-C Ethernet connector, and I won't say dongle. Okay, D-Link have sent over a USB Type-C to 2.5G Ethernet adapter. This is not the most exciting product, but still a pretty good looking product at that. It's useful for plugging into portable gadgets to get you a wired connection on the go. Always useful. We have USB Type-C and Thunderbolt support built in. It's 2.5G, so it's 2 times faster than Gigabit Ethernet, which is going to be difficult to test, to be honest, because I do have Gigabit Ethernet through the house. Yeah. So I can't really go any faster than that. So you just have to take my word that it works at gigabit speeds. It's compact and portable. That's exactly what we're going to be looking at here. Over on the side we have some features detailed, and I believe they're on the back as well, in various different languages. We have 2.5 gigabit, backwards compatible with 10, 100 and a gigabyte. Crossover detection. Duplex mode, connectivity with activity LEDs. Oh, there's LEDs on it. Oh, fair enough. Oh, I suppose they're in the sides there. No power adapter required, and CD-less integrates with Windows. Always nice. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and Mac OS 10.6. Alright, so there's not much else to get from there. I've moved my room around and lost my knife. Alright, slightly less graceful opening than usual because my knife is too far away. And we get a bunch of stuff in the box. We have a declaration of conformity. We have a quick start guide. Plug it in at both ends and you should see stuff. If you have any trouble, or Apple go there, Windows go there. That's just Explorer, isn't it? Yeah. Apple might need drivers. And then warranty information. The device itself. Oh, actually, it is a lot smaller than I anticipated. Ooh, it feels quite nice too. So we have a serial number and Mac ID on the bottom, plus FCC stuff. Yeah. Okay, so having a quick look around the device, you can see here that the USB is obviously at this end, and then we have a fairly substantial plastic bit that does feel quite firm and secure and quite well made. There's no clear ways to get into it. It's obviously been stuffed in here. It's an enclosure that goes over the top, so it's not going to be that easy to get in there and wreck it. And it connects to the cable with a seal here. The cable itself does feel quite good. You can feel the individual cables underneath the cable sleeve with your fingers, but given the length of it, it's probably not going to fray that easily. There is obviously a bend in this from packaging, but it should withstand most types of abuse, which I don't think it's really going to see too much. Probably spend most of its time at the bottom of a laptop bag or what have you. Then we have another connector here that goes into this larger piece, which is again the same kind of smooth white plastic that does feel nice. It does feel like a fairly quality piece of hardware at this end with the D-Link branding. And then we have our Ethernet cable here with their LEDs either side. And again, that's just been sort of clicked together and sealed. But it's a good looking piece of hardware. It does feel a bit unfair that I can't actually go and test it, because I'm not going to get anything more than gigabyte speed, so I can't really see if that 2.5 claim is correct, but I imagine it's got to be. They can't exactly get away with not delivering that, and given this £40 worth of hardware, it should absolutely deliver. It's a quality piece of hardware. So. Okay, so having a quick Google to see exactly what we need to do in order to get this working. We do have Wi-Fi switched off, but we have to go into our connection settings and we have to go to more connection settings, and Ethernet is grayed out. So whilst this is in and flashing indicator lights, this must not actually be compatible with this device. So unfortunately it doesn't work with Android, but then I shouldn't be too surprised because it is clearly printed on the side of the box that it is Windows and Mac compatible as a minimum requirement. So you can't expect Android to suddenly just work, but you never know. Sometimes they do have a little bit of compatibility. It may work with other types of Android devices, maybe weird ones or OnePluses or something like that, but it's difficult to tell. It's the sort of thing that, yeah, most people will be really happy to have, and if you happen to be in an area which has a much faster wired connection, then you'll be able to take advantage of whatever they happen to have to throw at you, which is great. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments box down below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Remember to tune into the Tech Addicts podcast on a Sunday afternoon. There's a brand new episode every week. And then of course there is Inspect Your Gadget on TalkSport at midnight on a Wednesday morning. And other than that, take care.